Hi guys, Adrian here from Tradeology, and today I'm going to discuss with you 5 habits of successful traders. In this video, I'll explain a little bit about good trading habits that will help you become a more successful trader. Now, on average, only about 10% of retail traders are successful in their trading. Now, there's many reasons for this, but I want to give you a few simple habits that I want you to learn to be counted amongst the 10% of winning traders. The first habit is to always have a trading goal. You'll see I've uploaded many other videos, one of which is having a trading goal, which are going to have discussed a lot of the content that I'm going to speak to you about today. So I'd encourage you to watch those also. So the first habit is to always have a trading goal. You've got to know what your goal is. What is your plan to reach that goal? The second habit is work at improving your trading skills more than others. So in other words, in relation to other traders, you want to make sure that you are fitting yourself up to become a successful trader by improving your trading skills. You need to work at this daily, and just by watching this video, for example, you are already on the right track. The third habit is to be disciplined. Discipline is something that you learn over time. It's a habit that you form. And in a lot of my other videos, I've also detailed how important it is to be disciplined. Set yourself the goals, as I mentioned, and then stick to them. The fourth habit is to constantly improve your knowledge. This is related to some of the other habits, but you want to be constantly seeking new knowledge to expand the knowledge you already have and to practice what you learn. And the fifth habit is to always have a trading plan. Now, a trading plan is something that you can set out. It's related to your goals, but it tells you where exactly you want to be in 3 years' time, 4 years' time, and how you're going to get there. It could even be for tomorrow, this week, next month, but you need to have a plan. It's best to write out a plan, to journalize your trades, and to seek to persevere with your plan. This is where discipline comes in. So all these 5 habits I've mentioned are all interrelated, and it's important to understand that each of them on its own is itself important, but as a whole, they will make you more successful. Now, I realize this is a short video, so please do watch some of my other videos that I have gone into more detail on each of these steps, and they are all fairly easy to implement. It's really just up to you to action them. Either you want to be part of the 10% of us that make money and enjoy our lives, or perhaps you are satisfied with your trading results. Now, I bet that you want to be part of the 10%, right? So at Tradeology, my aim is to always make you as successful as possible, and will do everything I can to make that a reality for you. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications, so whenever a new video is released, you don't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link in that description below.